All right, this is example number 2 for the graphical approach. I'm not going to work through everything, but I do want to make note that you probably should pay special attention to the lattices and the intervals that it's broken down into. So I do note that they're counting by twos with the major lattices, but these partial lattices are counting in units of half. So that's something to consider when you're estimating. So this point you might think of as 0.25. I think when I did the answers, I think I had it going through the origin. We'll check in a moment and see. But you want to kind of take note of that you're going to be doing a lot of estimating for points. So let's take a look at my solution. Or maybe not. There it is. Okay. All right, so take a moment to review my solution. And indeed, like right here, I had it going through the origin because by the time I had started coloring, I couldn't see that it was breaking a little bit higher than the origin. So I might be off in some of my estimates, and your estimates might be a little bit better than mine, but essentially the idea. So take a moment, pause your video, and review the answers. And you can feel free to come to class and argue and debate the different regions if you wish. All right, here is example number 3. Again, so there's this really tight region right here that is dipping below the curve. So you might have to do some estimating about changes in concavity. I saw this as concave down, seemed to curve bowl down a little bit, and then it went concave up. So I had to make a decision about where that occurred. So I think I changed the concavity somewhere below the origin here and about here at the x-intercept. I said it's bowl up and then bowl down again and then bowl up for the remainder of the region. This picture does not have an absolute maximum, but it does have an absolute minimum. It does have a relative maximum at this point right here. So let's take a moment to review the answers. Here they are. Again, so a lot of colors occurring in this region. It's really tight. I have to kind of zoom in, but go ahead and review my answers and come to class with any questions you might have.